and it's our family home and we made it with a lot of love. So welcome. ये बेंजी का घर भी है and this is our lounge where as a family we sit and I love to nap on this couch and as you can see बेंजी के खिलौने हर जगह फैले हुए हैं and he is not happy because हमने intrude किया है उनकी जगह में but come. This is my piano which my dad had bought for me when I was about 5 years old and उनका बड़ा मन था कि मैं पियानो सीखूं and मैंने सीखने की बहुत कोशिश की थी but my hand eye coordination is not very great but मुझे सुनने का बहुत शौक है प्ले नहीं कर पाती and yeah there's all of these interesting very peculiar artworks around this house as you can see. This actually is a painting that was made by Rummy uncle who is my दादाजी's friend and बहुत अतरंगी कहानी है इसकी actually. ये actually एक nude painting हुआ करती थी and later after the painting was made Rummy uncle decided कि actually उनकी बीवी ने कहा था कि I don't like this painting anymore. I think you should give her a choli. And after he had made the painting, then he drew over this green choli, and now this painting is called Green Choli. Yeah, it's quite realistic actually. She's quite beautiful also. Here we've got lots of family photos. This is my very, very, very cute brother who's not so cute anymore. This is me, very, very cute and still cute now. And these are all our trophies from when we were athletic in school. Well, my brother was, not me so much. Or music is a very integral part of our family life. I think like the nicest evenings that we have are when dad makes food and a vinyl is played and सब यहाँ बैठे हुए थे. And yeah, there's also a lot of random things like this which we used to trouble Benji. So मुझे जब scripts मिलते हैं then I tend to sit on in this room and because it's really cozy and it makes me feel that, well, I mean obviously I'm at home but it makes me feel quite homely in this area specifically, and in the afternoons it can be quite peaceful, so I love to sit here with my scripts especially when the house is quiet. And या एक्चुअली जब मुझे निशान जी की स्क्रिप्ट पहली बार मिली थी तब रात भर मैं और मेरा भाई यहाँ बैठे हुए थे और 300 पेज की स्क्रिप्ट हमने एक रात में पढ़ ली थी एंड वी डिड लाइक अ लिटिल डांस ओवर हियर एंड स्टफ बिकॉज वी लाइक्ड इट सो मच. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू रिंकू रानी and I hope you guys have watched it. The view from the balcony is actually, I'll take you to the balcony. Come. You can see a proper view from there. Come. So I think that having a balcony in Bombay city is a blessing and I will take you there, but first this is our bar area. My parents love to host their friends and I love to host my friends. And yeah, we get a little crazy with all the parties and stuff that happens at this bar. मेरे पापा का सपना है actually that one day he'll start a supper club इस घर में और वो हफ्ते में एक बार 10 लोगों को घर बुलाएंगे और खुद अपने हाथों से खाना बनाकर टेरेस पे सर्व करेंगे और इसके थ्रू ड्रिंक्स भी सर्व करेंगे. And I wonder whether that plan will ever happen. I hope it does. He's an amazing cook. But yes, do come. This is our, well, this is my favorite nap spot in the whole wide world. If I sit on this couch for more than 5 minutes, then I turn horizontal और फिर मैं 2 सेकंड के अंदर सो जाऊंगी. It is literally the most comfortable couch and in order for me to sleep here, I have to sleep in fetal position. So it's quite warm and comfy. And actually an interesting thing to show you guys would be this barrel because my friends and I love to play games and this is where we play games, and if you come around then what you'll see is a bhandar of board games. And I will show you something very cool. A friend of mine had once made me a personalized Monopoly board. This was when I had first begun my acting journey, and I was the most expensive property. And it was called Vedika's Bollywood Situation. It was good fun. I don't want to show you everybody else who is on the board, but we love to play games over here. And yeah, I think, oh my god, that Benji is a little painting that my brother made one day. His girlfriend forced him. And home is where the dog is what my family really believes, क्योंकि हमें अपने कुत्ते से बेहद मोहब्बत है, बेहद. And here we have a dartboard, which actually I don't think it gets used that often, but now that you guys are here, let's try. Not bad. Nice, not bad. I'm better at this than I thought I was. What else? I'm actually having so much fun discovering things in my house that I haven't before. These are actually really fun adverts from, I think, the early 90s. My dad used to be an ad filmmaker and a very passionate one at that. So yeah, this is a Coca-Cola ad from, I think, 1965, guys. 1965. This is also Pepsi, but there's no date on this one. 1955, Double Diamond, no idea what that is, but yeah. So these are a bunch of vintage adverts, print adverts. And this spotlight, as you know, we are a shooting family, and all our work requires us to be on set. And my mom was doing a show one time, and this was on that show, and after the show she stole it and she brought it home. तो ये चोरी का माल है मेरे घर में, and किसी को बताना मत. Okay, let's go. Shall we go to the balcony? And this might be my favorite part of my house. It is really a blessing to have this in Bombay city. See, कोई building नहीं है मेरे सामने, सिर्फ पेड़ and greenery. This is definitely my favorite part of my house and something that I am grateful for every single day. Whether it's in a happy moment or a sad moment or a regular life moment, I love to be here. I love to read, so I tend to come out here with my books a lot. When it's quiet and there's no one at home, और मुझे नई स्क्रिप्ट मिली है पढ़ने, तो मज़ा आ जाता है ऐसे पेड़ों के सामने पढ़ने में. And there's a lot of सुकून and a lot of शांति here. And even though we are on the main road, honks सुनाई नहीं देते यहाँ पर. It's magic. But we can hear the birds chirping and you can hear the winds, and आगे is the sea. So sometimes if it's really quiet, then I can even hear the waves. A cool story about this terrace is that जब मैंने निशांची साइन की थी, तब अनुराग सर घर आए थे मेरे मम्मी पापा से बात करने, और हम इसी टेरेस पर बैठे हुए थे. इसी बार से उनके लिए विस्की आई थी और दोनों साथ में बैठ गए, तीनों साथ में बैठ गए, मॉम, डैड और एके. और एके सर ने उनको कहा था कि तुम्हारी बेटी अब मेरे हाथों में है, मैं उसका ख्याल रखूँगा, but it's going to be very hard and you have to give me 2 years of her life. And यहीं पर सौदा हुआ था. And on this terrace, my parents handed me over to AK, who really looked after me and really gave me one of the most gratifying experiences of my life. So this terrace is extra special. There's also a lot of things on this terrace that we have picked up from our travels as a family. ये सारे masks जो यहाँ पर है वो सब हम वेनिस से उठा लाए थे. And those candle stands are from Portugal. Fun fact, मेरे दादाजी पोर्चुगीज़ थे, मतलब इंडियन थे, पर गोयन थे, और गोयन पोर्चुगीज़ उनका वो हिस्ट्री था. And we tried to make this terrace as go in as we could, you know, to retain some of my dad's like ancestral culture. I think he's done a good job. So we also have a lot of parties on this terrace, and it's really nice. It's really nice when, especially at sunset time, because the skies usually get pink in Bombay. I do believe that Bombay has beautiful sunsets, and at sunset time, especially in the winter, it gets cool, and I love it when everyone's here and there's music and people dance. I myself have danced a lot on this terrace. I used to practice for निशांची on this terrace, and AK ने मुझे कहा था कि 2 साल तक मैं और कुछ काम नहीं कर सकती, तो 2 साल तक मैं इसी टेरेस पर सपना चौधरी के वीडियोस देखकर उन्हें यहाँ रेप्लिकेट करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, either here or in my personal space, which actually I can take you to right now. Let's go. And now we can go to my personal space, which is where I go when I want to close off from everybody else, whether I want to work on my script or be in my solitude space or whatever, really. Get ready, because that's what we love to do. I love to do that. I love getting ready, and I love the whole experience of it. Please excuse all these suitcases over here. I'm currently between shoots. I got back from Mussoorie yesterday and I'm going to Bhopal tomorrow. Those are baby me actually. These are some very cute black and white pictures of me that my uncle had taken. He was a cinematographer, Chang. Unfortunately, he passed away a few years ago. But he left these for me, and I also had a phase in COVID where I used to buy colors and paint. It's quite amateur actually, but yeah. Come to my space. This is where I spend most of my time. This is where I get ready. This is where I dance. This is where I get to be free and on my own and really enjoy my personal time. So come. This is my room. This is where I binge watch whatever I want to binge watch. This is where I have my meetings. This is where I get ready. It's usually way more chaotic in this room. But yeah, it's my personal space and I feel very lucky to have it. And yeah, I just get to be myself behind closed doors when I'm alone. Then and when I'm with people. This used to be my bedroom actually. This used to be my bedroom, and then we converted it into a space which we all use. Well, I use the most, but a space for all of us to do our thing. It's also kind of like a TV room. And fun fact, up until COVID, I had never seen an Anurag Kashyap movie ever. And then the first movie I watched was Bombay Velvet, oddly. And I know you're making faces in the corner, but it's my favorite Anurag Kashyap movie till date, if you would believe that, after Nishanchi. And then me and my brother had a AK marathon. So in this room on that TV, we watched Bombay Velvet, Gangs of Wasseypur, Ugly, Devdi, all of them, Gulal, one by one, and it's actually quite funny and fitting that my journey with him started in this room, and then actually one day here while I was getting ready for promotions, I remember having like a really overwhelming moment where I saw him I saw his work and I was like, man, kya aadmi hai, kya banata hai. And then I was a part of one of the projects that he did.
Pink Villa. Look no further.